Not a gang member, I'm a juggalo. Mind so slow, I don't know, but I do know. I don't give a fuck about no hoe. Trying to blow my mojo for dough. And my patience for the FBI agents is outrageous. Pulling gauges in our faces and maces us, trying to bust us cause we down with the clown. Till we dead in the ground without a sound. People hate cause we clown. That's some bullshit. Swing or bury the hatchet. I'd rather bury it, but swing it if I must. And your head will bust open. And I'm hoping that my homie that's open will quit soon. Stop being a loom. I assume she consumes every dick for dope, and I hope, but nope. So I went away, but I pray she okay every day, even though she did me dirty, acting all flirty. But she's still family by the clowns. She just needs to turn her head around and stop doing that thing. You can see the concern how we a gang. Bang bang, we don't bang, acting like orangutans, trying to have fun and not run from my feelings and emotions. Our music are like explosions. People know what we saying, but some think that we ain't playing, that we kill for a thrill, think it's for real. Hell no, we a family, not a gang, so just let us do our wicked fucking thing. We a family, not a gang, we a family. I love all my juggalo homies. Stay clown, y'all keep it wicked. Woo woo, much clown love.